Alrighty, so this video we'll just run down loading our skid steer on a gooseneck where you kind of want it on the trailer. So and then we'll run through the tying it down with chains. So on the front of our gooseneck trailers we have like a box here, and this is where we have our chains. And if you walk around you'll see there's a box in front here as well. If you lift it up, it has little legs there, and in here is where you'll find all our strap downs, our ratchets and straps. And
we got our skid loader loaded up on our gooseneck. Now when you load the skid loader, you do not want to pull it all the way to the front of the trailer, because that will put too much weight on the truck. You also don't want it too far back, because it'll put too much weight on the trailer. So what you want to do, you want to kind of get it right in the middle. That way you got an equal amount of weight on the trailer axles, and you have weight on the truck. We got the skid loader loaded up. We'll show you guys how to chain it down. You just want to go around the attachment that's on the front of the skid loader, whether it's a bucket, bale spear, whatever. We're going to be on the outside here. Bring it across, outside here, and then you want to pull the chain forward. You don't want to go straight down, you want to pull it forward. Then we'll make a loop there, hook the chain back to itself on this side. And we'll go to this side. Get your ratchet binder, hook it on the rail here on the side. Like I said, we want to pull it forward. You pull it tight as you can. Hook the binder to the chain, and we'll ratchet that down. You got two pockets here. You got one on this side, you got one on that side. So for the back, we'll run this chain down through the pocket, and we'll head over to the other side here. So the chain will be running at the bottom of the back here, and then you can bring to the other pocket on the other side, run the chain up through the pocket. And you pull enough chain through. Like I said, you don't want to pull straight down, you want to pull back, because you're pulling forward on the front, back on the back. It's the best way to secure the load. Same thing on the front. Just run it through one of those pockets, bring it back up, hook it to itself. This side, same thing. Run the chain down through the pocket. Hook it back to itself. And get your ratchet binder. Pull it tight. Just a little too long there. We'll hook it back. There's two ways you can do this. You can loop the chain and hook the binder to the chain, or like we did on the front, you can hook the binder directly to the side rail. You don't have to make a loop there. And you just want to ratchet down so it's nice and tight. You don't have to go too crazy, but you want to get it tight. You don't want this thing moving around on the trailer. You get the back tight, and then you go to the front, double check it. Make sure it's good and tight. Now you see we got some extra chain here. You don't want to leave that there. You want to make sure you tuck this up underneath the skid loader. You want to put it somewhere where this chain's not going to dangle off the side. You don't want it dangling off the side. You can wrap it around the chain like that. Just something to keep it so it's not going to fall off the side of the trailer. Everything's tight, and we are good to go.